Breaking the tie, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, break the tie. This expression is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of break the tie. Break the tie is an idiomatic expression used when resolving a deadlock or a draw in a competition, decision-making process, or any situation where two or more options have equal standing. The phrase originates from the literal scenario where two teams or competitors have the same score, and an additional effort or decision is needed to determine a winner. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In sports. The game was tied at 2-2, so they played an extra inning to break the tie. 2. Decision-making. The committee was evenly split on the decision, so the chairperson had to break the tie. 3. Everyday use. We couldn't decide between pizza and burgers for dinner, so we flipped a coin to break the tie. These examples show how break the tie is used to describe finding a resolution in a situation where there is initially no clear winner or preference. Understanding synonyms can enhance your comprehension and usage of break the tie. Some related phrases include settle the score, make the final call, decide the outcome. Each of these phrases carries a similar meaning, emphasizing the action of resolving a tie or deadlock. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of break the tie. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and varied the English language can be. Remember, understanding such idiomatic expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.